Hey y'all, it's your girl Quoia Renae, and I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to do this cute yellow under the eye glitter look for you all. And I'm not going to waste any time doing any long intros. Y'all know me, I don't like long intros. So let's just hop right into this look, honey, this slayish look. Y'all got on some really long lashes today. Like, y'all, I'm a little scared of them, y'all, but I think they're kind of cute. But without further ado, y'all, let's jump right into the video. Hey y'all, so what I'm going to start off with is the p.louise base in the shade Rumor 3, and I'm just going to pat that in all over my lids. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take this yellow shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to first start off by patting that shadow in, and then I'm going to start to blend it in circular motions with my blending brush. And then I'm going to take this light brown, almost orange looking eyeshadow, and I'm just going to place it right underneath that yellow shade, and I'm going to use it as my second transitioning color. Then I'm going to take another eyeshadow that's almost similar to the last shadow that we just used. It's just a bit darker, and that is going to be the last shadow we use for our transitioning color. After that, I'm going to go back in with the p.louise base, and I'm going to start to carve out my crease. Then I'm going to take that same yellow shade that I used as my first transitioning color, and I'm just going to place that right on top of the p.louise base. And then after that, I'm going to go in with this lighter yellow shade from a palette that I got from Amazon. Y'all, it's a cheap little palette, but it did the job, honey. And y'all know I love NYC's liquid liner. I'm just going to take that to line my eyes, and then we're going to get into this foundation. I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me foundation, and I'm just going to buff that in all over my skin. Then I'm going to go in with Maybelline's concealer in the shade Cafe, and I'm just going to highlight underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose. Yeah, I really love this highlighter because it's so much easier to blend out to me, better than the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I feel like when I use that, it's kind of like pasty and it's hard to blend and it just don't mix well with my skin. So I love this concealer. It blends perfectly well with my skin. And then I'm just going to buff that product in with my Real Technique sponge. Y'all listen at me sounding all YouTube, honey. But I'm going to go in and blend out the edges of that concealer. Y'all, I'm really starting to fall in love with this YouTube thing. Like, at first I was nervous, I was scared, but I'm like, for what, honey? You love what you're doing, just record yourself and make some tutorials and get in tune with the people that support you. And also, if y'all have a channel, then comment your channel down below so we can support one another. You subscribe to me and I'll subscribe to you. So then I'm going to mix these two powders to set underneath my eyes, and I'm using Benai Banana Powder and Topaz. And I like to use these powders mixed because I feel like banana by itself is a little bit bright for me, and then Topaz sometimes comes off a little orangey. So when I mix them together, it gives me the perfect finish. And I know y'all probably like, girl, why don't your fat cheek self ever contour? But y'all, I just don't really like to contour. Like, I try to create like a little fake one with the powder, but I don't like to contour. But I'm using my MAC's lipstick and lip gloss, and I'm just going to use that for my lippy today. And then I'm just going to wipe away that excess powder. Then I'm going to set all over my face with MAC's setting powder in the shade Deep Dark. Then I'm going to take these long lashes that I got from Morphe, y'all. I was so scared to wear these because I was like, oh my God, these is going to be a bit much for me. But they ended out looking great. And then I'm just going to line my waterline with some black eyeshadow. Then I'm going to set my face with MAC's Fix Plus spray. Then I'm going to highlight with Crayon's Case highlighter in the shade Anglola. Now y'all, I'm just going in with the orange eyeshadow. I'm just going to put it underneath that black eyeshadow that I lined my waterline with. And then I'm going to go in with this peachy glitter that I got from the beauty supply store. And I'm just going to place it on top of that orange shade and just put some glitter underneath my eyes, honey. Your girl on fleek, like, your girl is on fleek. So y'all, this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me how you like this look in the comment section below. I love you guys. Make sure that you watch the rest of my tutorials and videos on my channel, guys. I've really been trying to upload some good content for you all, so be sure to watch my other videos and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. Love you all. Bye.